Imagine training cutting-edge machine learning models that help bring designs to life. That's what Figma is doing with Amazon SageMaker. Figma is an incredible design platform that enables anyone to create and design and bring things into the real world. We recently launched a bunch of really exciting products using AI, like Figma Make, which enables anybody to go from prompt all the way to prototype and workable app. At Figma, we think developer velocity and shipping quality features are critical, and we use AWS to do just that. Our goal is to remove a lot of the rote, mechanical, boring work and give designers superpowers with AI. Figma uses AWS for all of our infrastructure, and so when we started working on Figma AI, it was a really natural choice for us to build on top of Amazon SageMaker. We chose to build on Amazon SageMaker pipelines because they gave us access to the compute we needed, abstractions to build on top of, and the observability to debug our pipelines. GenAI helps make Figma customers faster while also making our internal developers faster. It's enabled us to go all the way from training to deployment and serving, all within the same ecosystem, while still giving us the flexibility to bring in our own code and other third-party tools. Figma is using AI to lower the floor to designers while also raising the ceiling, making it possible to create incredible things on Figma and deploy them using AI. Amazon SageMaker has really accelerated our development velocity in AI.